Hello people, do you remember this car from last year, aka Torque Animal? Well, last year I had a camera that didn't record sound. It was a shitty video. So, it's time to redo it. Something with sound! Same old dog, has the 307 in it. I got dual exhaust from the manifold back. Car's a little dirty right now because I haven't had the time to clean it out, and I've been freezing my balls off on anything I do anyway. Right now the car's at 90,341 miles. It's been a while since I did that video. So I am going to give you a demonstration on what this dog is really like. You like that, don't you, bitch? She ain't the smoothest running thing anymore. She's getting old. As you can see right there, the doors. Revenge is starting to come back of the winter. I'm gonna miss this car when it gets refinished again in a few years, but yep. Now, rare thing of this car, from the factory, it didn't come with front shocks. This is the only year they did that with. So as you go down the road, it floats. The hood bobs up and down. You can set your can of soda on the dash and not worry about hitting a bump and it falling off and landing all over your lap and shit, because there's no suspension. Best handling car. Of course I have to have my snow equipment because it's a rear wheel drive. Those don't go very well in the snow anyway. So. Collector's edition. Final year they made them like this before they switched to the H platform in '86. Kind of a basic model, but you know, as time goes on I'll add things. But it's the best car I had, paid $175 for it. Cruise doesn't work, I have to get that fixed, but I don't feel like fucking with the electrical. But I'd never give this car up no matter what you did to me, even if you killed me. So, coming up next, my Oldsmobile.